Oh, hello everybody. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a little bit different of a video. I am going to be swatching some of my favorite lipsticks. Now, as you guys know, in like all of my videos, I always do like a matte lipstick. Yeah, I'm not a fan of regular lipsticks. I like matte lipsticks because they stay in place and they don't transfer and they stay on all day. I don't have to reapply after I eat, blah, 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 blah. You know, all the things that we say about our beloved matte lipsticks. So I have today some of my favorite matte lipsticks of all time. You can tell some of them have really been shown some love, but that's okay because I'm going to swatch them for you today. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so guys, the first brand that I want to start off with, I have like every single color in their collection. Okay, maybe like not every single color, but at least like a lot of them, is the NYX Lip Lingerie. As you guys can see, they have been loved on, they have been used, but I love, love, love these shades. Let me see if I can get them to see. Yeah, there you go. I love these lipsticks. They stay on literally all day. I don't have to reapply them. They don't transfer onto anything. They are probably one of my most favorite brands of matte lipsticks. Let's just go ahead and swatch some today. This is a shade Baby Doll. It's the number 11. Check it out. I love it. It's a peachy color. I will be honest with you guys, I haven't worn this one as much, but I really do like it. This is Cashmere Silk, and it's the number 18 Lippy, and I personally love this one for an everyday look. My next favorite is great for when I do like red tones on my eyes or like maroons. This is shade Ruffle Trim. So I love, love, love just how mauvey this one is. It's great. So now I keep saying these are all my fave, but honestly it's because they are. Like, I love all of these colors. So my next favorite one is Embellishment. I use this one anytime I do like a plum look on my eyes or a neutral look on my eyes. Love, love this shade. I think it's amazing. Let's see if I can there we go. I love just this like purple hue that it has, and it's great on my skin tone. My last NYX Lip Lingerie one is actually in the shade Teddy, and it is like a dark brown, and let me just say that I absolutely adore this shade for the fall, winter, really all seasons, because it's just that beautiful. This is not a good way to swatch makeup, but that's okay. We're gonna go with it. My other favorite brand of lipsticks, as you can see by the packaging of these, is ColourPop. I'm gonna start by one of my favorite rosy neutral mauve tones. OMG. I like adore this shade. I would wear it all the time. This is the shade Midi. It is literally my absolute fave. I adore this shade. And I used to wear it literally all the time, and I don't know why I ever stopped, so I'm probably going to start again. The next shade is Bianca. I ended up not liking this shade as much because it was just a little bit darker than what I wanted, but it still was really, really pretty for certain looks. You can tell it's really similar to the Midi shade. It's just a little bit darker and it's got more of a pink undertone than the other one. So this is the shade Trap. And this reminds me a lot of the shade Embellishment from NYX. It's got that like mauve purple undertone that I just absolutely love and adore for like fall and winter looks. So love that shade. My last shade is Chi. I really like this one because it's like a light brown neutral color. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect, but it's so, so pretty, especially for the fall and winter. Check out this color. It's like it's almost a brown mauve, and I just can't wrap my head around it, but I love it. I absolutely love these 4 shades. So the last 3 that I have, I actually just discovered these. I was at Target with a friend, and I was like, ooh, these are cool. Why not? I'll try them. They're from Wet n Wild, and I was like, that's not typically like the best brand, but I'll just see. It's called the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick, and you guys, out of all of the matte lipsticks that I have ever tried, Kylie Jenner's included, that was sassy, sorry, these have been the most long wearing. I love them, and at the end of the day, when I take my makeup off, I don't feel like I'm just ready to scrape my lip color off of my face. So let's swatch these. I actually love these colors. I wish that I could get more colors. They don't have a broad range of colors. So now that I'm swatching this like up against the ColourPop, it looks a little bit like the middle two combined. This one has definitely more of a pink undertone, but I really like it. And then the next one, this is, oh, before I go too fast, this is the shade Rebel Rose. And the next shade is Give Me Mocha. I really like this one. This is more of a mauve shade. I'm a fan for fall, and anytime I do like a look that has those mauve colors in it. As you guys can see, it's definitely very mauvey. It's kind of got a red undertone, which I love. This shade almost goes on black, because when you pull it out, you can see it's got like that like violet undertone. This shade Gives Me Life. Look at it. It's basically black, and I adore it. I wear it when I'm doing something not so like bold on my eyes. Those are three of my favorite brands of matte lipsticks. But before I go, I will give you guys a tip. I have just now discovered like how much I need this in my life. Tinted lip balm. This is something I ordered off of Hush. I absolutely love it. I'm wearing it right now. It just gives your lips just the right amount of color to where you don't look dead, but it's not like a full lipstick. And when you're running out the door, or when you want to, you know, you're about to eat or anything like that, it's a great alternative to just give your lips a little bit of color without like really doing anything that will transfer, because like honestly it doesn't transfer that much color. It's just tinted, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things in the world for when those days that come and I'm just like, I don't have time to put on lipstick. I don't want to put on lipstick. I just want to give my lips some rest, since I literally always wear drying matte lipsticks. But my faves. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of a hot mess, but that's okay, because that's just my life, and love it or hate it, I don't really care. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel, because I put out new videos every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. So I'll see you guys next time. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.